ruins in Palenque stands a pyramid called the Temple of Inscriptions. During the summer of 1952, deep within the bowels of this structure, Alberto Ruz, the director of research at Palenque, would discover a tomb that held what appears to be proof of early man's conquering spaceflight. This is a picture of the lid to the sarcophagus of King Pakal, and on it is what appears to be a man in the cockpit or capsule of a rocket ship, manning the controls as he ascends into space. This theory was made famous in Erich von Daniken's 1968 bestseller, Chariot of the Gods, where Daniken compared the image on the stone to that of the astronauts of Project Mercury. But let's take a closer look. Around the lid are glyphs that represent night and day, and placed accordingly to show movement from east to west to represent Pakal's transitioning from life to death. What is commonly mistaken for a rocket ship with fire shooting out of the bottom is in fact something found in many cultures known as the world tree. The branches extend into heaven, while the roots extend into the underworld, symbolizing a connection between the heavens, earth, and the underworld. Now, sprawled across the branches is the double-headed vision serpent, which is believed to live in the center of the world. This is also a symbol for royalty. The celestial bird, also known as the bird of heaven, is the lord of the cosmos, which is why it is placed at the top of the world tree's branches. Pakal sits upon the monster of the sun, because ancient cultures believed that when the sun set, it sank into the underworld where it went to die. The monster of the sun represents Pakal's transition as it sinks to the world below, taking the king with it, which is represented by his position as if he's falling down. As much as I would love to know, the early Mayans' technological abilities didn't just include plumbing, but interplanetary space travel as well. What you really see